Let's practice the idea of converting between mixed fractions and improper fractions. We have 9 divided by 5. This here is an improper fraction. It's top heavy. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So how do you convert it? Let's go 9, that's the numerator, divided by, try to make that sound effect, divided by 5. 5 times what is 9? 5 times 1 is all we can do. If you write 5 times 2, it's 10. The number 10 is bigger than 9, you can't do that. So 5 times 1 is 5. This is long division. 9 minus 5, you subtract. It's going to be 4. And this here is the remainder. This here is called the quotient at the top. So 9 over 5 is equals to the quotient 1 and the remainder over the divisor. The divisor is on the side here. So 9 over 5 is equals to the top and the remainder over the divisor. It's on the left over there. So again, let's practice one more time. What's 12 divided by 5? What's 12 divided by 5? 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract 12 minus 10 is 2. So the answer, the quotient, is going to be 2. So this happens to be 2 and 2/5. It's going to be the bottom over the left. And this actually means 2 plus 2/5. There's a hidden plus sign here. Let's finish this off with a bigger one. What's 107 divided by 3? Now please don't mix these up. Sometimes students do that. 3 times 3 is 9. Cha-ching. 10 minus 9 is 1. We have a 7 there. 3 times what is 17-ish? 3 times 5 is 15. The remainder is 2, and we're done. So we're going to say this big improper fraction is equals to 35 and 2/3. It's going to be this quotient over the remainder divided by the divisor. Now let's focus on going the other way. This is probably easier. When you have a mixed fraction, you just go denominator times the number. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the numerator. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 over the same denominator, 4. Now let's do it again. 20 times 3 is going to be 60. 60 plus 2 is going to be 62 over the same denominator, 3. Now what's the difference between these two? Just to clarify, this actually means we're adding. If you want to convert this to an improper fraction, you could. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. 5 over 3. If you want to be very slow and inefficient, you could say this is 1 plus 2/3, which is equals to 3 over 3 plus 2/3, which is going to be 5 over 3. Same thing. But this one here is just some number, some fraction, 2/3 times 1. Anything times 1 is itself, so this here happens to be 2/3. The numbers 2/3 and 5/3 are different, so just keep in mind that this here does not mean multiply. But it is a bit ambiguous, but by convention, especially because of the trades, I want 1 and 2/3 yards of some fabric. We know that we're talking about hidden addition operation over there.